This is how to cancel Telegram Premium, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open up your browser like I am using here, Chrome browser, and then search here for Telegram Premium FAQ. You have to just open up the first link here, so right here at the centerpiece. You have to just click on the @premium bot here in the cancellation tab and click to open it with your Telegram app. So then you will be here in the premium, but you have to simply click on the start option at the bottom, and now put here is basic command, which is / then stop, and then hit the enter, or then click on the sand. Right after that your subscription and your premium version of Telegram will be cancelled successfully. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.